Everyone talks about JSON versus JSONB in PostgreSQL. What's the difference and which should you use? JSON keeps the original text. JSONB, it's the same data, saved in a ready-to-search format that can be indexed. If you need to find, filter, or speed up lookups, choose JSONB. Here is the simplest way to understand it. I'll store countries in a table, and inside each country, I'll keep a cities array as JSONB. You don't need to create a separate cities table. Now, let's insert data into the countries table and populate the cities JSONB columns. We can see that each row has a list of city objects, name, population, and area. Let's quickly look at what we inserted. The cities column is a JSONB array, city objects one after another. To work with each city separately, I expand the array with JSONB array elements. Each city is its own row. I can filter, sort, and group like with normal columns. Inside JSONB, values are nested, like folders inside folders. PostgreSQL gives us two arrow operators to reach into a JSON document. Single arrow returns a JSON value. Keep structure, it's good for other JSONB functions. And double arrow returns a plain value, like text, number. It's good for SQL operations, where, order by, group by, etc. The left column shows Paris as JSON, and the right one shows Paris as text. Quick example of how we can order descending by population using double arrow. To speed up searches, add a gene index on the JSONB cities column. DbSchema automatically detects that our index is created in the database, but in our model it's missing, so I choose to create it. I'll use the contains operator to check if the city's JSONB contains a city named Paris. It returns the countries that match. Here, France. If another country had a city called Paris, it will be displayed too. Some data is nested. A product can have variants, like colors, and each variant has options: RAM, storage. JSONB is good for this. You keep the whole structure in one column, but you can still list, filter, and count the combos without extra tables. To unwrap both arrays, I use lateral joins. This returns a clean, flat table. One row per variant. Optioned with name, color, RAM, and storage columns. If you prefer visuals, DbSchema lets you expand JSONB like a tree. and DbSchema generates the SQL query for me. Then I run it and preview the results. Download DbSchema and try this JSONB demo on your database. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.